Hello children, we have made this article in the morning craft class. So this is a napkin tissue flowers. We have used this kind of napkins for making these flowers, and we have made this wall hanging, and I pasted this ribbon at the back using tape. You can use Fevicol also. So how we can make, those who have not understood, they can watch this video very carefully and you can try it again. We will take two napkins and just put one on one another, and just after this fold it like this. This is the easy step you can follow, and you will cut thin layer of napkins. Basically why we are cutting is we are separating all the layers, because when we open this napkin is into folds, so it is like this. When we open, obviously when we had cut it from the four sides, size will reduce, but it's no problem. So what we will do is, after separating all the layers of the napkin, we will start making paper fan with this. You can use colored napkins, you can use printed napkins, any paper napkin which is available at your home. Don't trouble your parents, don't trouble them at all. So you will make fan like this. Just fold it half to mark the center, open it up. You can see here is our center. So we will take our thread, any color thread, any thread you can take. Hold it nicely and you will tie this paper fan tightly and firmly, so that when we are making the paper fan flower, it should not be opening. And this extra thread, you can cut it for the neatness. And make sure when you are doing any crafting at home, you should not leave your things here and there. You should keep things all in back to the place and keep all the cuttings in the dustbin like we do in the class. So our paper fan of this napkin is ready. Now the turn is to open the layers for making the flower. We will take one single layer from one side, this way. Children, see, this thread should be covered like this, and then from the other side you will do it very neatly. You can see now, you cannot see the thread in the middle, it is all hidden. So you will keep on opening. Don't do it in the hurry. Enjoy your activity and do it nicely. All the layers should be opening till that center part, one from one side and other from other side. And don't take 2 or 3 layers of napkin all together. Don't do it in the hurry. You can take your time, make one flower at a time, but you should be doing it very nicely. You can see I'm gathering all these opening layers here. One by one, okay? See this, all of you. No one will, those who have done something wrong in this, they should correct it. And if you have any doubt, you can ask me, you can message me personally. Everyone is having my number now, so you can message me This way all the layers will be opened. Now how we make it into the proper flower, you will hold it like this, hold it like this from the back, and then just gather it tightly, and then you can trim it also, that all these uneven layers you can cut, and just spread your flower. Make sure your flower should look round. It should not be like two different layers, it should be round. You need to arrange it accordingly. This way. And then you will take your Fevicol, put it here and put it on your cardboard, and just fix it like this. Here two more flowers you will add, or you can write some nice message for your mama, for your parents, or it can be your birthday gift, it can be your grandparents. You can write some message over here, or you just put the flower around. You can put your picture also here and just put flower around. It's all your choice, your creativity. So this way our activity is done. I hope you all have enjoyed this, and I wish to see some different kind of innovations what you can create here. So okay children, bye bye, happy crafting.